Hey guys, this is your Chapter 5, Section 2, Theory of Production podcast. Hopefully it'll help you get prepared for your quiz and for your test. Just going to go over some of the main things out of the chapter that I wanted to make sure you understood. So I'm going to go ahead and remind everyone of how to draw the total product and marginal product graph, which make up your production function. You can see up at the top I have some numbers set out that we're going to plot. So your total product, you're always going to start at your origin, and that'll be your first point. Then you'll move and make the next point, and then follow it up with your next point, and connect them. And then continuing, I'll change colors so we can see the difference in the stages of production. I'm going to keep going, and we'll see that after this point, instead of increasing at an increasing rate, our distance between our points is going to be increasing at a decreasing rate, which means we're moving from stage 1 to stage 3, which is the diminishing returns. So I'll go ahead and keep plotting my points. And again, when you're drawing this, make sure that you're fully labeling everything, labeling both of your axes. I'll go back and do that after I'm done plotting points. Make sure that you connect them. If you want to, you can use different colors because it may help you see the stages better. Alright, got to switch colors again because now we're hitting the negative return stage. I know that looks a bit messy, but hopefully you can see you begin at stage 1, increasing at an increasing rate. Then you move into stage 3, because on this example we're not going to have constant returns. We're going to go straight into diminishing returns, which is stage 3. Then you're also going to next hit stage 4, which is your negative returns. And so I've broken them up by color. Green is increasing returns, blue is diminishing returns, and red is negative returns. So then, to change colors again, so I can do my marginal product graph. You'll go ahead and start that. And you'll be able to see, using the different colors, where each part of the marginal product graph should be placed. So your first kind of section with the marginal product graph is going to be an increase. And then you'll see that it's going to start to decrease, following along with the diminishing returns that you'll see in your total product graph. And then switch colors again to show negative returns. At the point where the total product graph has negative returns, this is the point where your marginal product graph will actually become negative and go underneath the x-axis. So I know, again, this looks a little bit messy, but you can kind of see all the different changes that will happen, all the different stages of production that happen. You can look at the colors and see that. Do want to make sure that you're always labeling, so here's your total product graph, and your marginal product graph, and your axis is going to be labeled. Your x-axis will have an L for labor, and your y-axis will have an O for output. Hopefully that makes sense, and you can clearly see by the colors the different stages of production that you have. Stage 1, increasing returns. Stage 2 is constant. We do not have that on this graph. So then we move straight to stage 3, which is diminishing returns, and then into negative returns, stage 4. Hopefully that all made sense. Be sure that you're reading your section of the textbook. Section 2 is the one that addresses theory of production. Make sure you're looking over your notes that we took in class, and that should help solidify all of this information for you. I wish you the best of luck studying. See you Monday.